It's Oliver, sir. Mother Goose is requesting a chaplain.
A chaplain? Good heavens, he's killed her.
No, sir. They want to get married.
Married? Goody Two-Shoes and the filthy beast?
What's taking him so long? He's had enough time to get the Archbishop of Canterbury.
Oh, Mr. Eklund, really?
Oh, stop calling me Mr. Eklund. It sounds ridiculous.
Walter, are you ready, Walter?
Just a minute, Frank.
Here, here's my tie.
Oh, thank you, Harry, but ties don't suit Mr. Eklund.
Oh. Well, have you got the chaplain, Frank?
Yes, he is here. There's a little paperwork, Walter. Bride's full name.
Catherine, Louise, Marie, Ernestine, Fresno.
Groom's full name.
Walter Christopher Eklund.
Witnesses. Who's the maid of honor?
Elizabeth Anderson.
And the best man?
Harry McGregor.
Harry?
Just believe me.
Proceed, Padre.
Thank you. Now, is everyone ready?
Yes, Padre.